Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Crystal DIY. So in today's episode I'll be teaching you how to make a neem soap, right? If today is your first time of coming to my channel, please like and subscribe. So we'll be using neem leaf for this. So I got this a fresh neem leaf for this, but peradventure you don't have a neem leaf, you can make use of neem powder, right? You can make use of neem powder, but the one I use is neem leaf, fresh one, right? Then the fresh one, after getting it, you blend it or you pound it, any one you can do to get the juice out of it. The other one is to get a soap base. So the soap base I use here is just a normal soap base, a normal toilet soap, right? You can use any normal toilet soap, remelt it and add these ingredients, but the one I use is a normal toilet soap base, right? But you can use glycerin soap base or goat milk soap base, anyone at all. Then you grate it just like you are seeing me doing. If you can't grate it, if you don't have a grater just like this one, you can use a knife to cut it into small chunk. If you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please like and subscribe to this channel. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos for you. So after grating it, that is your first step, grating your soap base. So what we use for this is 500 grams of soap base, right? You can reduce it to 250 grams or 500 grams, right? Get a stainless plate or a stainless bowl that has a lid that you can cover. Double boil it. The way you can double boil is to put a hot water inside a pot and then you drop your soap inside it and cover it. It will melt on its own. Just add little water to help it to hasten the melting process. So this is my blended neem leaf. So I've already blended it and added little water in order for me to extract the juice for it, for my soap production. So you should do same. If you have a mortar, pestle and mortar, you can use it to pound it. If you don't have that, then you have blender, you can blend it. Anyone, I just devise a means, blend it and get the water out of it, and that is exactly what I did here. Then after that, I'm going to sieve out the water from it. So after extracting the water, this is our already melted soap, right? So this is the melted soap. I've already melted it with a double boiling method. Just double boil it and your soap is going to melt. Then you pour it. Then this is our vitamin E oil. This is vitamin E oil for extra moisturization and skin brightness and all that. So that is what I added inside. Vitamin E is very good for your skin, and this is neem essential oil, right? Is essential oil, neem essential oil. That is exactly what I added there. I added about 6 drops, and this glycerin. I added glycerin, and then this my extracted neem juice that I added inside. Then I'll turn it very well and then get my mold and pour it inside. But eventually you don't have this kind of my mold. Yeah, if you don't have silicone mold, you can devise, you can use anything at all, right? You can use any plastic rubber in your house and add this thing inside. Rub it with oil so that it will be very easy for you to bring it out. Use it as mold, right? So this is it. You turn it very well before pouring inside the mold. If today is your first time of coming to my channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe and share this video to people that might need it. Don't be stingy, just share to people. And most especially, I want to tell you that we are running online training on laundry soap production. If you want to start a laundry soap as a professional, you know, soap is what people use on a daily basis, right? So if you want to start laundry soap production, check all of our videos. We have laundry soap videos liquid soap videos and all that. You can check there. Then if you want to register for our class, chat me on the WhatsApp number on the link so we can start from there. Chat me on WhatsApp so we can talk. We also sell soap making cutter, mini cutter and table cutter. We also run skincare class and all that. So anyone at all that you want, we are available for you. Do you see the beauty of the soap? Is very, very beautiful. This is a neem leaf. You can use a neem powder for your own, right? So we'll be uploading some videos like this that you might love. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. It has been long we've been here. We've been so busy with delivering order, laundry soap, taking to people, doing trainings and all that. That's why we've not been uploading video for a longer time now, but trust me, we are back. Thank you, and see you in my next video.